without knowing it,
There
you
are
have
also
ordered.
rolled pipes, spun pipes.
Gas pipes, sir.
Gas pipes.
Gas can of pipe. Yes, sir. It can be used out there as well. Right now, if you see that kind of a pipe, they use a metal string. We have a nylon string which is much stronger, sir. So this is much beneficial when it compared to any other product. It gives you that kind of security, sir. When we are telling that it's 100 to 150 years of guarantee.
Question is on that, how you have tested, because nobody has seen this pipe was for 150 years.
Sir, we have already done a research regarding it, sir. We have already used this particular product to coat into a concrete pipe, and we have
Any
tested it, sir.
certification for that, proof for that, evidence for that.
It will last long for 150 years, because nobody will be remain, like whoever customers are today, they will not leave long for
What we tried doing in this product is we did use it to another substitute product. However, we tried to, check, if it's stable enough when it's a very, if it's a heat sensitive or if it's a cold sensitive, any kind of a weather, any kind of a heat, even it's able to resist more than 100 to 150 degrees Celsius. So probably in India when you have
Because we are concerned if they're using specific number, rather than you can say keep lifelong kinds of, rather than using a specific number of years. That's why
It's
it's a
100 years, in a sense, it's a lifelong for one person.
somebody the moment you put a number to it, people who tested it. Lifelong I relate. And people may buy your point.
So actually what we are trying to implement over here is the company is giving the guarantee for 100 to 150 years. Any repair or maintenance will be done by our engineers. That's the main concept that we are implementing, and we are more sure about our product. We are more sure because it's been certified from our R&D team as well. Our engineers, they are more sure that this particular product is going to be stable more than
My
100
next
years.
question to your engineers only. You said initially your engineers will go and install it. How long you are trying to do that? Because
So only for the first year, sir.
with more number of customers, you need to keep adding everything as well.
No sir, only for the first year, we are sending our engineers in order to install it. Once we get more customers, we can keep distributing. The primary first year part, as we have less number of customers, we are doing a direct selling. We don't want to involve a distributor where we incur or we have to give, share our profit with the distributor or give some discounts. So this year, as we have less number of customers, we are doing a direct selling. However, when we start getting more number of customers, we're going to keep distributor as per the zone, as per the state in India, and later on it's going to develop
So you
international.
place them on the site.
So the engineer from our company,
Our company.
the distributor, they will train them.
Train them, sir.
It's a unique product, isn't it? You could have promoted it in a big way, like carpet bombing strategy. You could have represented it. So no such promotion was seen in your
So
company.
actually when it comes to corporate bombing, we need to have another substitute product. Corporate bombing is someone we want to destroy another company. We don't have to destroy any other product, sir, because our product is the unique one.
But your promotion strategy doesn't speak much there. Regulation was not there in your promotion.
No, that is an innovation.
Advising. Was very aggressive.
When you want to say 100 or 150 years,
Yeah, you could have done lifetime.
if you just said lifetime, probably it has all your purpose and reduce your probably going for more aggressive when you have a unique product which is patent. That's what you are trying to tell as a goal.
Yes, sir, definitely our product is unique,
And where else can it be used?
it can be used in any other sector where we can replace rubber, sir. Anywhere where the rubber is being
No,
used.
not only rubber. Innovative, listening to you, I think it can be used for roofs also. For
It does.
waterproofing of roofs.
It can be used for waterproofing of roof, as
Yeah.
another associate told that it can be used in dams as well.
Dams.
When dams are constructed, we can use a product where it's going to keep
No,
the
for even for the chairs, you are not
even for the chairs, like in the car, in the dashboard, you have an airbag, the steering wheel, the bike handles, anything which we can replace rubber with, where a customer needs more
That's
satisfaction.
what they are
more
trying to
life.
say, this should have been more aggressive and total. Pushing it into the market.
So actually, what we are trying to do here is primarily what happens is
Okay,
whenever.
first step, one by one.
No sir, it's primarily what we are trying to do over here is in order to educate the people. So people need to know what is this nylon about, how it is being bonded to a rubber, what is the benefit of it. Until unless we educate them, we cannot go aggressively into the market.
Again, you are targeting the mass market. It is not a mass market product. It is specifically for specifically for some targets, isn't it? You could have focused on those targets and developed a promotion strategy according to the targets.
Yes sir, as it's a B2B business, we are trying to.
You never mentioned like advertisement in only these channels, these timings, print in this newspaper, this region newspaper.
So
This.
mentioned.
Specifically located in a very good presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Lindsay. Thank you, Board of Directors, for acting like the Board of Directors. Those are the kinds of questions.
All of that has gone in.